Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi my YouTube friends, how are you? So today's video is all about learning 10 basic and very important phrasal verbs. So are you ready to learn it? Let's get started. So the first is get to. Get to means to arrive somewhere for the accomplishment of something. So its sentence can be like, can you please get to the bank and deposit the money? I am going to repeat it one more time. Can you please get to the bank and deposit the money? The very next is take up. Take up means to involve the thing that you are liking, or you can say the thing that you are showing your involvement in. So before going to make this sentence, please subscribe the channel, like the video, and must enlighten me with your thoughts in the comment section. So its sentence be like, I'm going to take up singing as a profession. I am going to take up singing as profession. Next is turn out. Turn out. Turn out means to become, what the thing becomes. In a phrasal verb, you can say turn out, what it turns out to be. So let's make a sentence. Its sentence can be like, the food has turned out to be delicious. Means you are cooking something, and then after finishing the process of making the food, you can be like, it turned out really well. It turned out really delicious. So like you can use turned out in many ways like this. And the next is wind up. Wind up means to finish something, to complete something, as you can see from the picture. So its sentence be like, I have to wind up the work, or I have to wind up the kitchen, or I have to wind up the clothes, I have to wind up the laundry. Anything which you are going to finish, you can use wind up by replacing the finish word. So next is wear out. Wear out means making someone tired or making someone exhausted. So let's make the sentence. Its sentence can be like, the customer wears the salesman out. Means the customer making him tired, the customer making the salesman tired. So you can use wear out. And the next is fall off. Fall off means to drop. To drop from something. Can be like, you can fall off from the motorcycle, or you can fall off from the like top, like can be anything. So the sentence of fall off be like, he fell off and broke his glasses. He fell off and broke his glasses. This one is really romantic. This is really lovable. So this is fall for. There's a difference. Basically there are two words, fall in and fall for. Both relate to affectionate romance and falling in love. Means fall for means have a sudden romantic feeling for someone. So its sentence can be like, he fell for you. He fell for you. The next could be knock off. Knock off means to finish or to stop something that annoys you. That's called knock off. So don't go with the picture. I just posted this picture because I couldn't find most relatable pictures than this, so that's why I've put it this picture. He knock off all the worries. Like you have a split personalities in you, one is worry, one is happiness. So he knock off all the worries. That's why the picture is relatable. Next is chip in. Chip in means to cut someone's conversation and add your point of view in that. Or chip in means to contribute. It's another word, and it's another meaning is to contribute. So but here chip in means to chip in means to involve in the conversation. Can I chip in your talk means to stop someone's talking and put your point of view in the talk. Next is get along. This one's probably the last one of this video. So get along means to have a good relation. Get along means to have a good relation. So its sentence can be like, they get along really well. Or you can see whenever you go to somewhere with your kids or with your brother and sisters, you can say get along with the other members, or get along with the persons of your age. You can use both sentences. I mean, get along means to have a good relationship. Like you can say, I am getting along with my neighbors. So I hope you like this video. So please keeps on practicing, keeps on liking my video, and keeps on watching the video. And those who are really new to this video, please must comment if you want to ask anything, if you want to add anything, and if you want to correct I can say if you want to correct me if I'm wrong in anything. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.